In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a tick symbol into a document using LibreOffice Writer. If you're looking to add a professional touch or simply mark off your to-do list, this tutorial will guide you through the process with ease. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to open up LibreOffice Writer. To do this, head to your computer and locate the LibreOffice icon. It's typically found on your desktop or within your Start menu. Give it a double click to bring up the Start Center. Once you're there, you'll see various options. What you'll want to do is click on Writer Document, which will open a new blank page for you to work on. Now, let's get to the part where we insert that elusive tick symbol. This method involves using the special character feature, which is quite handy. Start by placing your cursor exactly where you want the tick to appear in your document. This is important because it helps in maintaining the coherence of your content. Once your cursor is in place, direct your attention to the menu at the top and click on Insert. In the drop-down menu, select Special Character. This will open a dialog box that's filled with a range of symbols and characters for you to choose from. Inside this dialog box, you'll notice a drop-down for font. You'll want to select a font that includes tick marks, such as Wingdings, Deja Vu Sans, or Sego UI symbol. These are fonts well known for carrying the tick marks we're looking for, so they're surefire choices. Once the appropriate font is in place, scroll through the character options until you spot the ticks, represented by or. Now, here's the exciting part. Once you see the tick marks, click on the one that fits your needs. Then, simply hit the Insert button. Voila! The tick symbol will be placed right where your cursor was. Following this, click Close to exit the dialog box. And there you have it, a neatly inserted tick symbol to enhance your document. Remember, this method is fantastic for when you want to ensure your document remains visually appealing and organized without the hassle of searching for symbols elsewhere. Thank you for tuning in to this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and that you'll be using these steps to add a touch of completion to your documents. If you do try this, or if you have any more tips to share, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy documenting!